Hello friends, welcome to my channel LifeTech Santosh, and today I'm going to unbox the electronic parts. Dear friends, few days ago I had ordered some electronic parts from the reddoco.com. Reddoco.com is a very popular website, or you can say very popular electronic website from where we can buy many kinds of robotic equipments. As we know that Nepal is back in technology, so there is no other website which can supply the electronical parts. Daraz and Himalaya Solution and other also small website also ship the electronical parts, but they ship the few number of electronic parts. So I suggest to buy electronic parts from the Reddoco. Reddoco can supply the goods in any place of the Nepal. If you are from hilly areas, also not a problem. It can supply anywhere from eastern part to western part. Friends, I am from Kolpur and I had ordered from Reddoco. After a few days, at least 5 days, I had got my order in the courier office and I had bought from there. As you seen, I had bought many electronical parts: telemetry, load MCU, jumper wires, propellers, brushless motor, DC motor, GPS, and many more. So friends, if you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos. Thank you.